Adobo is the most iconic Filipino dish. It's savory, tangy, garlicky, and full of comfort. Today, I'll show you how to cook the classic chicken adobo we make at home. It is simple, delicious, and as always, it is perfect with rice. So the first step is to marinate the chicken. I do marinate the chicken overnight because it brings out so much more flavor when you cook it. But if you don't have the time, marinate it for at least half an hour. So this chicken has been marinating overnight. These are about 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 slice of onion, about a teaspoon of peppercorn, 2 bay leaves, and we have our vinegar. We're gonna need about half a cup and a cup of chicken broth. You can use water also.